After nearly 3 years, an emergency food benefit allotment has been taken off the table. Households receiving Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Programme, or SNAP benefits, are seeing a decrease of at least $95 per month. It comes as this Manhattan food pantry says customer numbers for this year are already 50% higher than in 2022.
Who's taking care of them right now? Charities are. Right, food pantries across New York City, across the country, are being forced to step in where a safety net has been eroding.
In the fourth quarter of 2021 alone, researchers say the SNAP expansion programme kept more than 4 million people out of poverty. Its end comes as food prices in the US are 8.5% higher than a year ago. Last year, an estimated 41 million people in the US received emergency SNAP allotments. Organisers at this food pantry say this COVID-19 relief programme ended at a time when it's needed more than ever. As the economic turbulence caused by COVID-19 abates, Washington has rolled back a number of pandemic-era welfare programs. An estimated 15 million people could lose government-funded healthcare insurance as states seek to pare down rolls and are no longer bound by pandemic times coverage guarantees. Despite headwinds, the labour market has remained resilient, but analysts say the economic recovery hasn't been felt equally.
Workers with less education, Black and Latinx workers have really lost jobs disproportionately compared to other people. And so the people who really need the most public assistance typically are also the ones who are facing the biggest problems in the labor market today.
Groundswell is an organisation that brings together young people, community leaders and artists to help inspire social change. Artist and community advocate Mix Enigma says more help is needed, especially to assist marginalised groups.
Cities like New York, the prices of rent and cost of living just keep going up. And even with the few little resources and the public assistance, there still is a gap, both for artists and also the general population.
Many US lawmakers say pandemic policies are no longer needed and blame some of these programs for fueling inflation. But millions have had a taste of a more generous social safety net. And advocates say these are benefits that many communities can't afford to lose. William Denselow, CGTN, New York.